Okay, in today's video we're going to do a great low impact walking workout. This will really help with the heartbeat and just get everything going and moving. Now what we're going to do first, we're just going to march on the spot, and you want to use your arms as well, and let's just roll our shoulders back. Now whilst we're doing this, we want to make sure our core is nice and engaged. So you could, if you like, place your hand onto your tummy and just gently breathe in for 3 and just hold that engagement while we're doing the exercises. This also helps your back as well, so protecting your back. So again, rolling the shoulders, incorporating the arms backwards. Nice, great movement. Now I'm not wearing any trainers because I'm inside and I don't really like to use trainers when I'm in the house, but if you like you can use trainers as well. And then let's come forward as well. Again, remembering to use that core, holding it in, and let's come back again. So now let's just take our arms out whilst we're still walking, and if you like you can walk a bit faster if you want to, and let's just roll, make our shoulders, our arms and hands in a big round circle, and let's do this going one way. If you feel a bit out of breath, please slow down, and you can even stop and have a glass of water. And then let's roll the shoulders and the arms round circular motion the other way. This is great for the arms as well as the legs. And if you can't stand up, you can actually do these sitting down in a seated position. And let's just gently come back again, marching on the spot. Again, moving the arms up and gently swinging to the side as well. And then slowly, let's just calm it down a bit. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to stand and we're just literally going to keep our toes on the floor and just move our knees up and down, our legs. This is great for the ankles. Again, holding in the core. And also if you're not wearing any trainers, this will also give your toes a really great stretch. And coming back, again, back to march, using our arms. What we're going to do now, we're going to keep marching, and then we're going to stop and look to the side, come back and look to the other side with just a very gentle little twist. So stop and then just look to the side, come back, look to the side, again marching again, great walk, and then let's just stop, let's just look to the side, look to the side. Let's do this one more time. Stop and then just look to the side, look to the side, just a very gentle twist. And then let's move our knees further up and then further down. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take our arm, we're going to come down when we're touching our knee, come back up, down, touching the knee, up. This is a really great all over body stretch. Let's do this 4 more times on each side. Remembering to hold the coring. And one more time. And let's walk it out. Again, taking our shoulders out, our arms. Let's just do some really great round circles with the arms. Again, a great all over workouts here. Really strengthening the arms, but also helping the shoulders as well. And then let's go to the other way round. So opposite direction. And release. And now let's just slow it down a bit. Again, remembering to hold that core in. And again, standing and just lifting up with the toes. Great toe stretch. If you like, you can use your arms as well. Pushing the arms backwards and forwards. And just come along. Again, just walking along. So now let's do on our last exercise, the curtsy, if you like. So we're going to place one leg down, curtsy, come back up, come to the other side and curtsy. You can really feel it in your hips and your glutes here. Again, you don't have to go too low. Right, let's do this 2 more times on each side. Coming down, curtsy stretch, if you like. And again, let's just walk it out. And if you like, you can go a little bit faster and even put your knees slightly higher up. Again, holding in that core. And then slowly slow down. Make sure the breathing is now more controlled and it's a slower pace. Again, just rolling the shoulders nicely back. Gentle shoulder roll, going backwards and then coming forwards. And I always like to finish off with a couple of shoulder rolls backwards and then we can stop. So I will place another video if you'd like to join me there, and please comment down below, tell me how you found this exercise, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.